to another one. Today we're going to be learning about videos in HTML. Now, before I do start the video, I want to say if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. It's free and you'll definitely benefit from it. If you're wanting to become a full stack engineer or front-end developer or back-end developer, this course will help you and this channel will help you propel your career forward today. But as for right now, I do recommend that you stick around, go ahead and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So videos in HTML. Now, in addition to images, HTML also supports displaying videos. Like the image element, the video element requires a source attribute with a link to the video source. Unlike the image element, however, the video element requires an opening and closing tag. Now, here's an example of music video. So you have a closing and you have an opening and a closing tag. But notice here in the opening tag, we have to put the source, the width, the height, and the controls. So in the example, the video source is, or CRC is myvideo.mp34. Now the source can be a video file that is hosted alongside your web page or a URL that points to a video file hosted on another web page. After the CRC attribute, the width and height attributes are used to set the size of the video displayed in the browser. The controls attribute instructs the browser to include basic video controls such as pausing and playing. Okay, so just to recap here, the SRC is the video, basically the link to the video or the video file. You have the width and then you have the height. Okay, the controls, these are basically like pause, play, forward, the basic controls of the video. And the text video not supported between the opening and closing video tags will only be displayed if the browser is unable to load the video. Now under the image, create a video tag and add the following video URL as the source. Be sure to create a closing tag as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy this. Go here. I'm going to go ahead and add the video. Video. And we're going to go ahead and also add in the closing video tag as well. Actually, I don't think we need to put it in different spaces. So we'll go with SRC equals boom. Okay, run it. Perfect. Now define the width of 320 and the height of 240. So we'll do width equals 320, height equals 240. And let's go ahead and also include the controls. Perfect. Now in between the video opening and closing video tags, add the phrase video not supported. So let's go ahead and copy paste this. And in between here, we put video not supported. Run it. And voila. We have video. That is so cool, guys. Like, we literally just added a video right here. Now, this was possible due to the video tag. So that's actually pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Ironic, but I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Uh, Make sure to like the video if you did like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.